Tofacitinib is a new drug for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and other immunological conditions. It is a selective JAK inhibitor and it inhibits the JAK kinase 1 and 3. It is a potent medication which can be used for many immunological conditions. This drug is proven for use in rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis. So these are two indications which are proven indications in which you can give a tofacitinib medication. Apart from that, there are some other indications which are experimental but you can try, and these conditions are ankylosing spondylitis, vitiligo or atopic dermatitis, psoriasis and alopecia areata. So these are other immunological conditions where tofacitinib can be given. So it's a, as I told you, it's an immunomodulator drug. It's an immunological disease which drug which reduces the severity of immunological diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. You must be very careful that you should not give this tablet in those patients who are having any form of severe infections like tuberculosis, fungal infections and or other severe bacterial infections. Also, the risk of cancer and pulmonary embolism is increased while long-term usage of tofacitinib. There can be some short-term adverse effects like diarrhea, headache, blood pressure, URTI and nasopharyngitis. But whenever you start treatment with tofacitinib, you must always rule out any infection, serious infections like tuberculosis. So we usually recommend tests for tuberculosis, specifically chest X-ray and Monto examination before starting treatment with tofacitinib. So when is treatment with tofacitinib indicated? Treatment of tofacitinib is indicated in those patients who are having immunological diseases like rheumatoid arthritis which is not responding adequately to treatment with methotrexate. So those patients who are not responding with monotherapy or multi-drug therapy with methotrexate and some other anti-rheumatoid DMRDs can be considered for treatment with tofacitinib. Tofacitinib is a prescription only drug which can be given only with a medical prescription. Dose is 5 milligrams twice a day. It's only for information purposes and this is a prescription drug. So this drug should not be taken without prescription of a qualified physician. So always consult your physician before starting this tablet, and this tablet should be taken under supervision of a qualified practitioner, physician, rheumatologist or an orthopedic surgeon only. If you have any more questions about tofacitinib, you can write us on the comment box. Thank you.